All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, another episode of the Crypto Breakdown. I am your host, Ryan Mata. Coin of the day, Quant. Can this coin 2x, 5x, 10x? This coin definitely has one of the most loyal, hardcore communities I've ever seen in crypto. Definitely think Quant's gonna do some big moves next bull run. Let's do a deep dive into Quant. Let's talk about what Quant is. Let's make some price predictions and let's get it. So let's talk about QNT Price Predictions. Quant currently has a circulating supply of 12 million coins out in circulation. Price point's about $120. If we take the supply, times it by the price, that gives a market cap of $1.4 billion. So globally, worldwide, there's roughly $1.5 billion worth of QNT out in circulation. If we say Quant is $120 and market cap is 1.5 billion, I always round to keep it simple. If you invested in Quant today and Quant is 120, for you to 2x on that investment and for price of Quant to hit 240, the market cap would need to be 3 billion. For you to 10x on that investment and for price of Quant to hit $1,200, market cap would need to be 15 billion. 20x, $2,400, 30 billion. 100x, 12K, $150 billion. So the first I like to check out is Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush tracks cryptocurrencies based off of popularity. So if we take a look at Quant over a 3-month period as far as marketing statistics, we can see they got an altcoin ranking of a 34. Price is up 103%. Social mentions up 56%. Engagements up 85%. Dominance is up 56%. Contributions are up 47%. Shared links are up 54%. Spam volumes up 26%. Market cap's up 103%. Bullish sentiments up 57%. Bearish sentiments up 123%. Reddit volumes up 44%. Medium volumes up 300%. Reddit volumes up 44%. Medium volumes up 300%. YouTube volumes up 1,231%. And market dominance is up 357%. According to CoinMarketCal, Quant doesn't have any big upgrades or big upcoming events, or at least they're not keeping the community updated over here on CoinMarketCal. The next site to check out is Masari. Masari makes it really easy for you to track things like return on investment. If you invested in Quant 1 year ago, you'd be down 62%. 3 months ago, you'd be up 92%. 1 month ago, you'd be up 11%. 7 days ago, you'd be up 8.3%. In the last 24 hours, you'd be up 14.18%. We can see that Quant put in an all-time high at $426.37 on September 11th of 2021. It is currently down 71.9% from its all-time high. It put in a cycle low at $40.80 on June 13th of 2022, and it is currently up 193% from its cycle low on June 13th. The next site to check out is CoinCodex. CoinCodex uses machine learning and AI indicators to make price predictions. We can see that in the next 5 days, they're saying Quant down to $108, 1 month $85, 3 months $51. Then in 6 months, they're saying back up to $189, and in 1 year, they're saying $611. So if they're saying $600, $480 would be a $6 billion market cap. If we tripled that and said 720, you'd be looking at a $9 billion market cap if Quant got upwards of 690, 700. According to our current Quant price predictions, the value of Quant is predicted to drop by 9.84% and reach a target of $108 by September 29th of 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish, while the fear and greed index is showing 24, extreme fear. Quant recorded 16 out of 30 green days with an average price velocity of 5.12%. So these are Quant price predictions for 2023, 2024, 2025 based on tech growth. Internet growth says buy, Google growth says strong buy, Facebook growth says strong buy, mobile growth says buy. And here's the QNT 2023, 2024, and 2025 price predictions. And dang, check out the market sentiment. 90% bullish, 10% bearish. Based on our data from September 24th of 2022 at 1300, the general Quant price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 28 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and only 3 signaling bearish. If we take a look at highlights, Quant has outperformed 58% of top 100 assets, so it scored it. It is trading above the 200-day simple moving average. Positive price performance compared to token sale, 17 green days out of 30, high liquidity based on market cap, trading on Binance, and it has a yearly inflation rate of 0%. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Prices dropped significantly over the past year, down 61%. It has outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum, or it didn't outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is down 72% from its all-time high. All right, guys, you guys want to win a $100 giveaway? Drop some comments below and let me know what your price predictions for QNT are on October 1st of 2023. Whoever gets it closest down to the penny will win $100 in Quant. And you have to have your guesses in by March 1st of 2023. Now, anytime I'm investing in a crypto product with the SEC headhunting, I'm always over here like, did they do an ICO? And I can see that their token sale, their ICO was done on the 11th of May of 2018, where they raised $11 million. We can see that it looks like they banned the proper countries. So these certain countries where it could cause issues, it looks like they were not selling tokens in those countries at that time. So it looks like 31.61% of tokens were awarded to advisors and staff, founders, and company reserves. So that's a pretty big chunk of the rewards. And then the company got this giant portion. And I don't know what TGE is. So it says TGE right here, and they got 55.4% of the tokens. So now let's talk about what Quant is. And do me a favor, guys. I couldn't find anything about setting up a Quant validator, so I don't know how decentralized the Quant network is. I don't think many proof of stake projects are. But drop a comment below and let me know if you guys can find any data or anything that says about how you can set up a Quant validator. Because if you can't, then the network's definitely not decentralized. If you can, then definitely has opportunities to be decentralized, but I don't know if they really need to. Drop some comments below, let me know what you guys think. So what makes Quant unique? Since the introduction of blockchain and distributed ledger technology, innovations have found use cases in almost every known industry. However, there have been a problem of seamless interoperability between these projects. Quant was created to be the missing link between the different blockchains. Quant's operating system Overledger was designed to act as a gateway for any blockchain-based project to access all other blockchains. It also works in connecting an application to another application in the same blockchain ecosystem like Ethereum. More than multiple blockchain interactions, Quant creates different layers of apps to interact at different levels. Quant has different layers of transactions, messaging, filtering, and ordering, and an application for sharing and refreshing identical messages related to other applications. The Quant App Store has the ability to read and monitor transactions across multiple ledgers. Using Overledger development, developers write smart contracts across a wide variety of chains, including those that don't support them, such as Bitcoin. Developers can use the store to create and release multi-chain applications called mApps. So let's talk about Quant tokenomics. Enterprises do not need to purchase the QNT token in order to use the Quant network. However, they need the QNT token to use the network. I'm not sure if they don't need it or they do need it. A developer has to purchase a license in QNT to create anything on the platform. This requires tokens to be locked up for 12 months. The cost of running the Quant gateway and performing read and write operations on Overledger requires the use of QNT token. The max supply of QNT token is set at 14 million. QNT tokens were split in the following ways. 9.9 million tokens were sold to the public during the ICO. 2.9% of tokens were assigned to the company's reserves. 1.3 million tokens were reserved for the company and founders. And 651,000 Quant tokens were issued to the company advisors. So it says there are currently 12 million Quant coins out in circulation. The other 2 million are unlocked and held by the company. The tokens are unlocked and can be sold or issued at any time. So how is the Quant network secured? OpenLedger forms the backbone of the Quant network. Overledger ensures compatibility among DTL networks and interacts with different blockchains. The Overledger network includes gateways for linking different blockchains similar to Ethereum's proof of stake blockchain. The Quant network is involved in handling treasury smart contracts. The community handles QNT payments following from the user to the gateway. They do this in a manner where people are held accountable to any observer. Dude, it sounds like a sweet project. Definitely very centralized from the sounds of it, but do people really care about decentralization and centralization when they're actually making money by being invested in an asset? I don't think so. Will it hinder them long-term if they had a direct competitor that was doing something very similar that did it in a decentralized way? Probably, but drop some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. So taking a look at Quant on a daily time frame, you just made a perfect retrace right down to the 0.50. If we take a look at the daily time frame, oh my gosh, look at that 4-hour setup. So if you guys haven't saw my how to trade crypto tutorials and how I use RSI and set everything up, I mean, look at that signal letting you guys know you were dead on at bottom. I mean, maybe you would have jumped the gun and you would have got in there at 47 instead of 40, but either way, you would have been right there pretty dang close to bottom. So based off of fib on the next level, I know the market's super bearish right now, and any wrong move on Bitcoin could send us free falling down to the downside. But I definitely think you're at the very least going to see Quant run up and double top over here at about a 161 to 158. That's where fib's calling for. If Quant can break past the resistance at 161, the next target up is going to be calling for a price all the way up to 188. And then you have this another key area of resistance up here at 221. So based off where Quant is right now and RSI levels, I would be looking for some really good shorting opportunities, especially if Quant rips up there and then trying to catch a retrace down like you did from 140 down to 86. You run up to 188 and RSI levels are breaking above the 4 hour. Oh boy, that's going to be a really, really good shorting opportunity. So on the 4 hour, we're getting close right now. Honestly, we might see Quant run up right now to 161. Break above the 4 hour, retrace back down to 132. So definitely keep your eye on some good shorting opportunities. And then again, on the next retrace there, if we come back down and bottom out on the 4 hour, that's where we're going to be looking for those long signals again. Right now, just in the no trade zone for me personally, but definitely going to be having some trade setups coming up here real quick. So I'd say my best case Quant price predictions for 2022 would be upwards of $223 to $190. So obviously, guys, I don't want to make 5-year price predictions or even 2-year price predictions because this market changes by the second. But those are my best Quant price predictions. So if I had to take a guess, my best guess for Quant price predictions for October 1st of 2023 are going to be $257.37. Drop those comments below. Let me know what you guys think. My name is Ryan Mehta. I'll catch you guys in the live stream tonight.